Good morning. Today I got a little project where I'm working on my generator shed. I figured that this would be of interest to people out there. So what I did was I bought an exhaust fan, and I haven't opened it yet. So we're gonna unbox that now, and we're gonna take it out, see what it is, take it over to the shed, the generator shed, and we're gonna level it up and get ready to cut a hole in the wall of the generator shed. So if you happen to like these type of how-to videos that I do, if you don't mind pressing the like button and the subscribe, and maybe even the bell if you feel like you want to. When I post this stuff, then you'll get notifications. But some people don't like my stuff, and that's fine. You don't have to. So this is what they call a louvered vent. And the one I got is 12 inches by 12 inches. All right, it's going to mount from the outside like this, and when the fan comes on, these louvers are going to open up. All right, and this is what it looks like from the back. Pretty simple. And the reason I got this one is it had a plug on it, and I didn't want to get one that had a wire something to it, like here. So I got the plug so I can plug it right into my generator. So when I do start the generator, this will automatically turn on, the vents will open up, and it will start sucking hot air out of the generator. So if you will be kind enough to give me a moment, we're going to take this over to the generator shed, and we're going to trace the hole out so I can cut it out later, and that'll be a different video that I'm going to stitch in to all of this. So hang on a second, we'll be right back with you. Well, I won't be right back, you're going to stay with me. We'll just get you set up over here. Now, we straighten some things out. Yeah, good morning. Let me get this set up here so you can see what I'm going to be working on. That makes sense somewhat. I'm going to put the vent right in here. So to do this, I got a little level, okay, basic level, and I've got a Sharpie marker, pretty simple Sharpie marker. So what I want to do, I want to position this so I can trace around the outside of this. I'm going to hold it up against here backwards. I'm going to trace around the outside of this. I'm going to level it first. Alright. That's level. You got to hold it in place now. Just mark the corners. Whoops. See? Already off a little bit. There we are. All right. I haven't done that. You can see where my marks are. I'll connect these up. Like that. And down here, we'll level this line. We'll draw our level line here. And while it's not perfect, it will allow us to I'm going to drill 4 holes, 1 in each corner. And then I'm going to use a new jigsaw that I bought, which I'll also unbox in the stitched on video. And I'll put my battery in it and come out here and we'll cut the hole open and fit this in place, and then we'll get some silicone adhesive and a couple of screws and then screw it in where it belongs. That'll be as simple as it gets. All right, and then we end up doing this. We're going to screw it in from the inside because obviously it's going to fit in like this. Okay, so it appears as though you'd be screwing it in from the inside because that makes the most sense. Well, maybe the outside, I don't really know yet. Otherwise, stay tuned. I'll be back in a little bit, but you don't know how long a little bit is because you're watching this video and it would just be seamless to you because I'll stitch the other video in. But thanks for watching so far, and I'll catch you later.